If you want to know how to install Zoho Books on mobile, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can get the app installed and start using it in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting it up for business, bookkeeping, invoicing, or just getting familiar with the app, this tutorial will make the whole process simple and easy to follow. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. If you're using an Android device, you should see the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to launch the store. Once the Play Store opens, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap in the search box and type Zoho Books. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official app quickly. After typing it in, tap the search button on your keyboard or the search icon on the screen. Now you should see the Zoho Books app in the search results. Look for the official app from Zoho Corporation so you know you're choosing the correct one. When you find it, tap on the app listing to open the app details page. On the app page, you'll see an Install button. Tap Install and wait while the app downloads and installs on your phone. The installation time may vary depending on your internet speed and device, so give it a moment to complete. Once the install is finished, the button will change, and you'll be able to open the app directly from the Play Store. You can also find Zoho Books on your home screen or in your app drawer after installation. Tap Open to launch it. When the app opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Zoho account, enter your login details and sign in. If you're new to Zoho Books, you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. This step is important because it connects the app to your Zoho Books profile and lets you start managing your accounts right away. After signing in, you may be asked to allow a few permissions or set up basic preferences. Just follow the prompts on the screen so the app can work properly on your mobile device. Once that's done, you're all set and ready to use Zoho Books on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully installed Zoho Books on mobile. As you can see, it only takes a few simple steps. Open the Google Play Store, search for Zoho Books, tap Install, open the app, and sign in or create your account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.